so check this out. This thing is massive. It's so beautiful. I can't wait to dig into this. My mouth is watering so much right now. So I hope you all are ready for me to dig in here and taste this bad boy. What's up everyone, it's Dave Stone with another exciting episode of Develop Awesome Skills, where I'm committed to providing inspirational and practical ways to transform your life and the world around you by planting fruit and medicinal trees. And I have a very exciting episode for you today because I walked outside just now and I've been waiting for this. Right there. That is my first fruit punch mango that just fell on the ground. Very, very excited. They're definitely starting to get a little softer. Now this right here was the branch that the first biggest mango was on, and that's where it was hanging, and today it just fell off. Look at this thing. It's so beautiful. It's perfectly ripe. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but it's like down here it's actually quite soft, but it's like, look at that, how beautiful that is. Fruit punch mango from Seamus, and this thing's huge. I should actually weigh it before I eat it. I'm gonna go get the scale. This small fruit punch mango that I got from Seamus and planted last February gave me a mango, and this thing is huge. So I went in and I got a scale. And so what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna see how much this mango weighs, because it's really big, and then I'm gonna eat it on camera for you. And then I can't wait till these other two, this one's getting real close to falling off, come off too, so I can have more mangoes to eat. But this one, let's see how much it weighs. All right, I'm gonna tear it real quick. 0. 15 ounces. So this is almost a pound, this mango. So now we're gonna cut it, we're gonna open it up, and I'm gonna taste it. I need to go get a spoon though, because I'm gonna spoon this one out, and I'm gonna try to sprout this seed. So if you guys have tips and tricks on how to sprout mango seeds, put them in the comments below. The first seed that came off my mango tree, I'm gonna sprout it. And I'm gonna try to sprout these two as well when they come off. I also have another mango hanging over here on the Kerry mango. I'll show you a little shot of that real quick. And then I also have another mango hanging behind me on the ice cream mango. So I have a handful of mangoes hanging, 5 in total. All right, so here's my Kerry mango. The one Kerry mango I have, it's a little bit smaller, definitely much smaller. It has a little bit of a mark on it from rubbing on this old flower here. So I'll clip off some of these here, but that's doing well. Nice little Kerry mango. It's not ready yet. It's starting to get ready up here on the top a little bit. You can kind of see it turning, but it's doing really well. Here's the other two fruit punch mangoes. This little guy's definitely about half the size of the other one. And then this one's pretty big also. It's a nice big juicy mango, but it's not ready yet. And this one's an ice cream mango. I'm really excited about this. It's definitely starting to get a little bit soft, so I'm excited when this one falls off. And I get to eat that one on camera with you. They're all on real young trees. All my trees have about an inch thick trunk right now, and so I'm letting them hold little mangoes. But I'm excited for these mangoes to come off, prune the tree just a little bit, and let it really start pushing out a lot of new growth. So I'm gonna dig into this 15-ounce mango. Very excited. Okay, so it's the end of July here in Phoenix, and as you can see, I'm wearing my Gladiators baseball t-shirt, which is the baseball shirt for the team in our movie One Hit From Home. So if you go to Amazon, you can check out One Hit From Home, or go to YouTube and check out the One Hit From Home official trailer, and you can see the movie that this was for. So this is one of my old movies that we did. It was on Netflix for a while, but now it's on pureflix.com, so you guys can check it out if you want. I'm all sweaty, but I'm going with it because it's humid, and my trees love the humidity right now because these the clouds are rolling in, and it's amazing out here. But this is the thing that I am most excited about right here, and that is my very first mango. This thing is literally the most beautiful mango I've ever seen, and it's perfect. It fell off, so perfectly ripe. The size and the weight of this mango, it's huge. It's the whole size of my hand here, and very excited to eat it. So here we go. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the meat off the sides. Okay. Okay, that one's a little bit ripe there on the bottom. I'm gonna cut these sides off. Oh, look at that chunk. That's a meaty chunk. I'll cut this side off. And then what I like to do, the way I like to eat my mangoes, is I like to do a cut here, and one cut down the middle. Gives me some nice slices. Do that again. Now I have one mango gave me a lot of different slices. Now some of this, probably not going to eat this section here, but I am going to dig into this piece right here. Here's the first piece of mango, of the fruit punch mango. It smells pretty good. Oh, it's kind of mild. Oh, it tastes very floral. I'm not going to eat this whole piece. Another piece. Yeah, it kind of tastes like a flower. Oh my gosh. Whoa. Oh, it's not really that sweet, but it's amazing flavor. It's like a mild sweetness. Try this outside slice. Oh my gosh. What a unique flavor. It's called a fruit punch mango. Maybe that is a fruit punch flavor, but it's more of a floral flavor to me. Yeah, I don't know how to describe it other than floral. Mango mixed with flowers. And mango skins make for nice compost. The worms will like them. All right, I'm gonna save a few of these slivers for my brother and my dad. All right, I'm gonna go for one more piece here. And now I get to see what my dad and brother think about the taste of this fruit punch mango. So thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you want your own fruit punch mango tree, go to Seamus O'Leary's Tropical Fruit Trees down in Phoenix. I think it's Green Life by SeamusO'Leary.com. It's where I got my tree. And now I got my first mango that I tasted from my own homegrown Stonehaven Mango. I can't believe it. It's amazing. And there's gonna be many more where that came from. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, give me a big green thumbs up and comment below how to germinate a mango seed if you know, or anything else you guys want to see me do a video on. I want to say thank you so much to everybody who's subscribed to my channel. If you haven't subscribed yet, hit the subscribe button below and the little bell icon so you know when I post next. And right now it's been Friday, Saturday, and Sunday at 5, but you guys seem to want the Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 5. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. We're gonna be transitioning to a Monday, Wednesday, Friday schedule. I also wanna say thank you so much to all my Patreons. It really means the world to me that you guys support me. And I did just mail out all your shades. So you're gonna be getting your shades in the mail very soon. Plus, there's a little extra special bonus gift in the box with the shades in it. So thank you so much for all your support. It really means the world to me. If you do wanna support me on Patreon and get your own pair of Develop Awesome Skills shades, go to patreon.com/developawesomeskills and become a $3 a month patron or more, and I'll send you your own pair of shades, and I'll even cover shipping. Thank you so much for watching this video, and definitely plant your own mango tree because, I don't know, they grow great. You just gotta give them some shade, you gotta do a couple appropriate things. You can watch some other videos that I have on that, but that's it. So until next time, develop awesome skills. I love you all. right, everybody. I have my dad and my brother out here. Thanks for enjoying this mango with me.
You got it. Are you kidding me? The first one in Stonehaven? Yeah.
All right, so I want you guys to try it, and I want you to just tell me what you think it tastes like.
Okay.
Here we go.
Okay.
Oh my God, this is so good.
Oh wow, there's like so many flavors in there. Oh wow.
And to know that it didn't get shipped here from Mexico or someplace.
Right.
What I'm saying.
Dude, it's something I've never tasted a mango with this much flavor.
Yeah, I hadn't either. It actually kind of tasted like flowers to me.
Yeah.
Does it have like a floral taste?
It tastes like I don't know.
Can you describe it somehow?
Yeah, I just taste the flowers.
Kind of
I just
floral.
tasted it. Yep.
All right, here we go. Piece number 2.
You get the big one.
All right.
Yep.
Oh wow.
You gotta describe the flavor of
There's
this.
different colors to this
I know.
piece.
That is, yeah. That's another thing that's cool. I've had mangoes from all over the world, and this one tastes the most amazing.
Yeah, different parts of it taste different. Wow.
Yeah, because the more ripe parts have a little bit, I mean, it's more like a custard.
Yeah. It's like something you could put on toast.
Yeah. Yeah, mango spread.
I don't want to stop eating it.
I know.
That is.
And there's no more left!
Wow. Yeah. There's so many flavors. It's sweet. Some parts are sweeter than the other parts.
Mm-hmm.
It is really good. I had them from Lima, Peru for a year and a half.
Yeah.
Amazing, amazing. But this is better than all of that.
Yeah, this is really good.
And it's got to be the foliar feeding and all the other things that David does in this.
And what type of mango is this called?
This is the fruit punch mango.
Fruit punch?
And then it's gone.
Yeah. It's got an orange flavor.
We have 2 more.
Just now, a little orange note.
It did have a little bit of a citrus.
Yeah,
kind
I
of
can,
flavor
I
to
can
it.
taste that on the other piece, the big piece. I can taste the citrus real strong.
This is good. I'm gonna keep eating this.
All right, Stuart. Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
Welcome.